Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today, G and I are going to be telling you about our experience at GSR in Reno. This is Grand Sierra Resort. It is a very beautiful resort, very up to date, and this is going to be just on the hotel room. We'll give you a little video on all the amenities soon.
Hello.
There's G right there in the main foyer. Come over here, you're going to check into your room.
Good.
There's a ton of stuff to do here. Right when you walk in, you have like places you could eat. Well, right past the check-in and stuff, but gaming, obviously, for a good all-around hotel for the family, the kids, and everything. This is a really good deal. There's so much to do here, but this is just going to be on the room, so let's go ahead and get on up to there, and make sure you check out my other videos on all the other exciting stuff to do that you can do here at GSR. Coming out of the elevator on the 21st floor, there's this really big couch right here. It's pretty cool to get some pictures. Get your trip started off nice with some nice little selfies or pictures of the family, friends, whoever you're here with, but pretty dope couch right when you get off the elevator. Our room is off to the left right here. We'll get going down to there. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hit that ring button so you get my latest videos. And if this video helps you out, make sure you tell everybody about it. I'm going to have a lot more vacation videos coming up, but look at the shock or the awe of initially opening the room. This room was really nice. I was not expecting this at all, and I'm really, really surprised. Take a look at this. Gigi is priceless. It's amazing. It's not right. My orientation isn't right, I don't think.
Whoa!
Oh, wow. Can't see anything, though. Our initial takeaway opening the door was pretty impressive. Opening the door, we weren't sure what to expect not being here before, but we're pleasantly surprised to this beautiful room. Very, very modern, up to date. Don't know how long it's been like this. This is our first time, but this was a pretty nice. While G is in the bathroom discovering cool stuff, let's get you a view from over here.
Look at them. They're clear.
Oh, wow.
But your camera's very loud.
It's okay. And they got a fridge, little coffee maker, no microwave.
What? They have everything but a microwave?
Right. GSR leaves you a nice little welcome card when you first get in the room, and they give you some ideas and a little pamphlet of things you could do around town. On the back of the door, you got your escape route. Hopefully you won't need to know any of that, but snooping around, you have a ton of space to store your stuff, such as your clothes or something you want to keep nice and neat. You can hang it up. There is a ironing board. So there's a lot of stuff to get nice and cozy if you want to. The bathroom here is really nice. I don't know if it's the lighting or what it is, but it makes you feel really good. Looking in the mirrors, I don't know what it was. I just couldn't stop looking at myself. I was like, wow, these things make me look amazing. Hopefully it does that too. Let me know if it does. Comment below. Throughout everything, I almost forgot to tell you about the amazing view from our room. Looking out the room, right here you have the pool directly below us, and then the driving range into their big giant pond, and then beyond that we have the airport, which is pretty cool to watch planes take off and land. All night we have lights coming up from here. It wasn't the worst view. When we stayed at the Nugget, you have like a train yard and stuff, but it was pretty awesome. Yeah. GSR is by far the best place in Reno next to Circus to take kids that I could tell you about so far. This place has a ton of fun activities for you and the family to do. Circus has an awesome arcade and all that, but when it comes to the more all-around stay, GSR is awesome. Make sure you check out my other videos. I'm going to be posting another video of the fun stuff to do here at GSR, and I have a ton of other vacation videos that you could check out. Like, subscribe, and share. Tell everybody about me. I'll see you in the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.